Let me start by asking this question. If you have the money to build a luxurious home in your village, will you? Or do you believe that building a village mansion is a waste of money? There has been disagreement on social media about building a luxurious home in the village and should be discouraged, while others are of the opinion that it is a cultural thing that should be encouraged. During festive seasons, especially Christmas, the trend of magnificent village mansions built by Igbo men has become a frequent sight on social media. While it might seem surprising and strange to those unfamiliar with Igbo culture, for the Igbo people, it is something deeply rooted in culture. Many people wonder why someone living in the city will spend millions of money building mansions they might only visit once or twice a year, and in some cases, once in 3 to 5 years or even more. However, for an Igbo man, such an investment goes beyond logic. It embodies identity, legacy, and fulfillment. Although some have argued that village mansions isn't an investment, but that is if you believe that every investment is solely for profit making. For an Igbo man, building a house in his ancestral village is a symbol of success and status. It shows that one has arrived in life, showcasing not just financial capability, but also a sense of pride in one's roots. To Ndi Igbo, a well-built village house is seen as a badge of honor and a mark of distinction among peers. Beyond personal achievement, it also represents a connection to one's heritage. Building a house in the village is an act of honoring one's ancestors and ensuring that the link between the past and present remains unbroken. It is a reflection that no matter where life takes them to, Igbo man will always have a home in the land of his forefathers. A village house offers practical benefits. It serves as a haven during visits, a retreat for festivities, and a space to host important family gatherings. The comfort and belonging it provides are unmatched, making every journey back to the village a cherished and memorable experience. For ndị Igbo, a village mansion is a statement of identity, a commitment to community, and tribute to family and culture. It reflects the deep-rooted value of the Igbo people's success, solidarity, and a profound respect for one's home and heritage. While outsiders may view it as extravagant, for ndị Igbo, it is a statement to who we are and a legacy we strive to preserve for generations to come. So to you watching this video, what is your thoughts? If you are an Igbo person and have made money, try and build a befitting home in your village. Be it a mansion, castle, or bungalow, home is home. After all, ndị Igbo si, ebe aka ruru nwanyị ka ọ na-atụkwasị di ya, akụlụ ụnọ ekwu onye kpara ya. See you in my next video.